Kurmanji, for people, especially for ladies, for women who know how to cook well, not cook just cooking, but just well, cooking well, okay, nicely, and how to do cleaning very well. Like if someone is good at housework, so we say jna mala. Jna mala. So jna mala literally means the lady of the houses. Okay, so jna mala. If someone is good at something, you can say jna mala. Tu jna malani. Tu jna malani. Tu jna malani. But be careful. I told you in Kurmanji we don't really pronounce this last N at the end of the word. That's why you will hear tu jna malayi. Jna malayi. Okay, because of we don't pronounce last N.